Hello, all. Happy October. I just got through doing 30 minutes on the cardio bike. That's a big deal for me because I have low blood sugar, and usually I can't even do more than 15 without feeling so weak and done for the rest of the day. So I am lifting weights. I'm still lifting weights. I'm lifting 35 35 pounds. I feel really strong. When I'm not lifting weights, I feel a difference. I have more pain. So now, I know I talked about before, eating out. I was still eating out, y'all. Still eating out. But now, it's like now that I've made my mind up that I'm gonna eat really good food everywhere I go. Like my mother, she made us homemade steak burritos yesterday. And I was so impressed on how good it tastes. I didn't have no issues. And at home, I'm making I can't eat like chickpeas and black beans. I can't eat that stuff. It just makes me full of gas. So now I'm eating red beans. So I'll get like some, I don't eat rice every single day, but like the seasoned rice. And then my red beans, I make like a pot of, like almost like some soup or a chili, where it's zucchini, stewed tomatoes, the red fired stewed tomatoes. What else? I don't normally put corn, but